Hello, I'm Matt Hapke, and tonight we're talking about wireless broadcasting with AirTame. The number one job of technology is to make a teacher's life easier, and AirTame does just that.
We have book talk assignments, and they make Google Slides to go with their book talks, and they can easily pull those up on the whiteboard.
So I like AirTame because we can share it from our Chromebook. Instead of telling her everything that we want her to put on and stuff, we can just do it on our Chromebook.
Say I want to switch to this slide and then back to this slide. It's easy to do that instead of me telling Mrs. Dance like, hey, could you go to slide number 7 and then back to slide number 4?
This has definitely helped me when I'm watching the students share whatever they're sharing or evaluating it, because I don't have to be at my computer.
We've been looking for an application like this for some time. We've reviewed Apple TV, we've reviewed Chromecast, we've reviewed AirPlay. The number one goal is to make it easy, and AirTame does just that.
So since initial install, we found these to be very reliable. We actually do have a contact with AirTame, and they're willing to work with us should any issues arise.
The AirTame is just one part of an up-to-date PHM classroom, which includes new projectors that are able to wirelessly project, new laptops for the teachers that afford them many more opportunities to get out and interact with the classroom while using their technology.
I have 23 students, so I get 23 emails of all their Google Docs and all their Google Slides, and then I have to pull it up and share it, and it skips all of that, and we can go right to them sharing on the whiteboard, and so that's just made things so much better in the classroom.
The pilot program at Madison and Schmucker has been going very well, and if it continues along this path, I see us putting AirTames in all of our classrooms in the next few years.
The hope is when we do presentations in the classroom and the students are able to pull up their Google Slides, their Google Docs, whatever presentation they're doing, that this is a life skill that they'll be able to use for many years to come.